आज मैं क्लास 9 के विद्यार्थियों को आपकी दूसरी पुस्तक जो है सप्लीमेंट्री रीडर, जिसका नाम है मोमेंट, उसके चैप्टर 1 द लॉस्ट चाइल्ड को बताने के लिए जा रहा हूं। यू नो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज ए वेरी लेंथी स्टोरी, but I have make it in a summary, in a substance. So I would like that you will surely enjoy the story. Actually, this is the story of a little child. It was the season of winter and it was the occasion of a spring festival. Many parents were going to celebrate, going to enjoy the pleasure of a fair in some distance in a small town. A boy was also going with his parents to visit, to watch the fair with their parents. In the way of going to the fair, the boy and his parents enjoyed the beauty of the nature, the beauty of mustard flowers in the field, the flying birds, the flying butterflies, and many other things. In the way, the boy was attracted by the sound of dove birds also. Many people were going to the forest, some were on the back of the horses, some were by foot, some were on bullock carts, and all were going to the fair. The boy was also going to the fair with his parents, but in the middle of the way sometimes he go hither and thither, इधर उधर कभी कभी वो चला जाता था अपने माता पिता को छोड़ करके. And when he went in any wrong direction, his mother or his father used to call him repeatedly to come to them. After few hours of walking step by step, the boy and his parents reached on the area of the fair. When he entered in the boundary line of the fair, there at first he saw a sweets corner. At the sweets corner, he saw very tasty and hot jalebi. Jalebi, barfi, it was his favorite sweet. He wanted to enjoy its taste, but he knew that his father was very miser man. He would not buy it, so he could not express his wish to eat the sweets, and he went to the other shop. The next shop was the shop of a flower shop, where a flower seller was selling the garlands. He wanted to buy a garland of jewel flower for himself, but here he also could not express his feeling to his parents because he know that he will not buy it. Next step, he saw the purple color, green color, yellow color, white colors, balloons, and he wanted to buy the balloons twice also, but he knew the nature of his father, that his father would not buy him anything, the toy and balloon, sweets, anything to him. He will tell him that these things are not useful for him. He has already crossed the age of playing with such type of toys. At last, he entered near the crowd, and in the middle of the crowd, a snack charmer was showing its show with the dancing snacks. His father not allowed to go there, and at last he went near a full swing. एक बड़े से इलेक्ट्रिक झूले के पास वो पहुंचता है. When he came near, he very boldly requested his father that he wanted to enjoy the full swing, but he did not get any answer from his father. He looked back to his father, why he did not get any type of reply from his father, but he did not find anybody. Even his mother and his father was not behind him. Now he became surprised that where they had gone. Now he started to find out his parents also, but in all directions he did not find him. Now he started to weep and started to run in all directions of the fair, but he could not find him. Now he started weeping and went near the entrance gate of the temple. The crowd had crushed him, and he fell down on the crowd in the middle of the crowd on the entrance gate of the temple. A very gentleman who saved him from the crowd and offered him all types of sweets, balloons, toys to give him and to tell him to stop weeping. But the child did not stop weeping, and he did not take any type of offering from that gentleman, the stranger man. He always used to tell him, I want my father, I want my mother. The gentleman, went with the child in all direction, in all corner of the fair, in all spots of the crowd, but they did not find them. They did not become successful to find them, the parents of the child, and they at last, when they became defeated, they stand near a tree and was started to think what to do of them. But the child was weeping very bitterly, and he was sobbing also. The gentleman offered him, but he did not accept him. The story actually shows the love and the devotion of the boy for his parents. The story, in short, I have retold. I have retold this story in front of because this is a very lengthy story, and it is very impossible for in online class to teach all of you line by line or word by word. My dear students of class 9, I want to say that in leisure period you must have to pick out the difficult words from this chapter, and in the class, whenever we shall start the class in the school, you will have to show these words, and I shall solve the problem, and I shall give the Hindi meaning of the entire words. This is the end of the today class. Have a nice day, all of you. Thank you.